The 2025 Nissan Patrol unofficial concept, dubbed the Desert Beast with Royal Charisma, embodies a fusion of rugged off-road prowess and opulent design, capturing the essence of luxury and performance in a single package. This concept reimagines the iconic Patrol, elevating its status from a mere utility vehicle to a symbol of prestige and adventure. At the heart of this concept lies a bold design language that commands attention. The exterior showcases a muscular stance, characterized by sharp lines and an aggressive front fascia. The signature V-motion grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights, while the sculpted hood hints at the power beneath. Large, flared wheel arches house oversized alloy wheels, emphasizing the vehicle's off-road capabilities. The rear is equally striking, with a full-width LED light bar and a robust bumper that underscores its rugged nature. NetCarshow.com. Under the hood, the concept is envisioned to be powered by a potent 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, delivering an impressive 425 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque. This powertrain, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensures seamless acceleration and optimal performance across various terrains. The inclusion of an adaptive air suspension system allows for adjustable ride height, enhancing both on-road comfort and off-road capability. NetCarshow.com. +1. Nissan Patrol. +1. The interior of the Desert Beast concept is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as quilted leather and real wood accents adorn the cabin, creating an ambience of sophistication. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 28.6-inch monolith display, integrating twin 14.3-inch screens that provide access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Rear passengers are treated to dual 12.8-inch screens, ensuring an immersive entertainment experience. Advanced features like biometric cooling, which adjusts the climate based on occupants' body temperatures, and a 12-speaker Klipsch premium audio system further enhance the comfort and convenience. NetCarshow.com. +1. All-new Nissan Patrol. +1. Safety and driver assistance technologies are integral to the concept's design. The inclusion of Nissan's Pro Pilot system offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, managing steering, acceleration, and braking under certain conditions. Other features like predictive forward collision warning, rear automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system provide comprehensive protection and situational awareness. NetCarshow.com. Nissan Patrol. +1. All-new Nissan Patrol. +1. The Desert Beast concept also pays homage to the Patrol's rich heritage. Iconic elements, such as the since 1951 motif projected by the puddle lamps, celebrate the vehicle's legacy while embracing modernity. This blend of tradition and innovation is a testament to Nissan's commitment to honoring its past while looking toward the future. NetCarshow.com. +1. Nissan Patrol. +1. While the 2025 Nissan Patrol unofficial concept remains a visionary design, it encapsulates the potential evolution of the Patrol line. By merging robust performance with luxurious appointments, this concept sets a new benchmark for what an off-road SUV can aspire to be. It stands as a beacon for enthusiasts who seek adventure without compromising on comfort and style.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.